Hello viewers, this is Sensor Studio with the latest news on the May 11th, 2025 Indo-Pakistan Summit. Stay tuned for updates. This is Kashmir. According to the history of Kashmir, this is the site where the massacre took place, following the attack by the Pakistani military. This is Kashmir. From the Kashmir front, we are reporting the news that the Pakistani military has invaded India. This is Kashmir. India has intercepted Pakistani missiles with surface-to-air missiles and reportedly launched counterattacks. This is Kashmir. This is the Srinagar region. Due to the attack by the Pakistani military, explosions are being heard in the area called Srinagar in India. This is the Srinagar region of Jammu, Kashmir. The Pakistani military is concentrating its attacks on Srinagar with loud explosions heard in the area. Indian Kashmir is under attack from shells fired by Pakistan. Hours after the announcement, the Pakistani military attacked. Jammu Kashmir authorities say this is a response to Pakistan's attack, not a provocation. In Peshawar, a city in northern Pakistan, the Pakistani military shot down a drone that was discovered in the city's airspace after issuing a warning. This is the Pakistani military. In order to intercept the drone that the Indian military sent, the Pakistani military is firing anti-aircraft guns. A very tense situation is unfolding. The Indian government will continue blocking internet access to maintain order in the state of Punjab. If you come across more details on the recent India-Pakistan conflict, please compile and upload it with the corresponding video. Thanks.